Hey everyone, my name is Cameron Skinner and I go to Grayson College and I am majoring in elementary education. So this is my presentation. The title is Money Management Tips Every College Student Should Know. Let's go to the next page. So most common problems that college students have are students may not know how to use credit cards wisely. Some students may not utilize all of the financial aid resources. Some people, I've seen this in high school where we were told plenty of times to apply for FAFSA, and some students didn't apply at all, and it was just a big mess. Some students don't know how to create a budget in college, and some of them don't have the basic literary financial skills. So, this is the comparison of the money management locally, nationally, and global statistics. So, Texas is one of the only 10 states whose citizens rank in the bottom 15 nationally in terms of both financial literacy and financial behavior. Case studies prove that studying in a country that not your own can present unique problems for your own financial situation. And this is for any student that might be going to school in another country or just an international or global student. Only 16.1% of college students said that they feel very extremely confident in their current financial situation compared to 32.7% of millennials. This difference could come down to being at different points in their life. Millennials have likely been out of college for a few years, meaning they may have a more steadier income and more financial foundation than college students. But with that extra life experience, apparently comes more stress. Millennials were more likely than college students to be very or extremely stressed about their current finances. And I'm going to give my input on this as well because I do agree with it. But I also would have to say that everybody's life journey is different. For myself, I come from a low income family profile, so I'm having to work currently full time and take care of my own responsibilities and go to school. And I'm not going to say it's easy because it's not. It's definitely a challenging task to do every day. It takes a lot of motivation. It takes a strong support system, which I don't have a big strong support system, but I do have people that I can depend on to be there for me when I'm having the not best motivated days. But yeah, that was my input on that. I'm sorry. The next slide is data and statistics from money management surveys taken by college students. So as you can see, I put some examples in the back about money management basics and everything. So 66.1% of college students said that one of their financial goals for 2021 is to create more ways to generate income. 56% of college students reported having at least one investment account, which is really good. And college students were more likely to report feeling stressed about paying off their student loans now than before the pandemic. And I definitely can see and agree with that because before the pandemic, it seemed like everything was a little bit cheaper than what it is now. The pandemic just skyrocketed everything. And we really don't know when everything will kind of be back normal, or is this the new normal? Next slide is advice and tips for college students. So definitely create a budget and stick to it and know how much your monthly income is and your mandatory bills. Like, don't overspend and don't go buy nothing that you know that you can't afford. That's going to put you in debt. Learn about savings and investment options. And also learn to set aside an amount every month from your paycheck, your refund check, anything financial that you're receiving. Learn to put that specific amount in your savings so it can earn interest. Keep looking for financial aid, not even financial aid, but any type of grants or any type of resources that could help you pay for college. There are resources out there. You have to put in the effort to look. Use loans as a last resort. Take time now to prepare for your career. And take time, if you know you have something that you're good at on the side, a hobby or a skill, take time to invest into that to see if you can make money off of it. It's very smart, and it also could help you during college. This is the end of my presentation. I hope that everyone enjoyed it. I hope that everyone does good on their presentations, as well as this class and the rest of the spring semester for this college. Thank you, and y'all have a good night.